Hello guys. I'm just sitting here. I stretched my ear to 5/8. It was actually by accident, which is why there's tapers in there. Because I can't get the plugs in because the plugs are too short. So I'm gonna borrow my friend's since I can buy my own. But yeah. I was just sitting there, oiling my ears, and I always stick a 5/8 taper halfway in it. Stretch it a little bit, so when I put the 9/16 back in, it shrinks back to build up collagen in the ear. And this time it just slid right in, so I was just like, okay, I guess it's ready. It stretched on its own. So, it's now at 5/8. This one is still
if you like
at 9/16
you need to be a member of GameFly.
because
Join
it's really
GameFly.
thin,
Choose
like on the low part,
get them in the mail,
and that scares me, so I'm trying
No
to
due dates, no late fees. If you're a gamer,
build it
GameFly's
up
a great
and
choice.
oil it with
First-person
vitamin
shooters,
oil and stuff like that.
RPGs, multiplayer
So
games.
it'll
The best way to
get all
play all
fat
the
like
games you
this
want
one.
for a great price.
So
Go to Gamefly.com now. Click the
But
joystick
yeah.
in the top right corner. Enter Joke
I'm gonna go
in the
now.
box. And get
It's
started
like
with a free
5:30
extended
in the
trial.
morning.
And remember, you can cancel
So,
at any time.
yeah.
Product shown rated E through T.
Bye guys.